Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Voyager iron. First, ensure your iron is unplugged before filling the water tank. Use distilled water to prevent mineral buildup, filling it to the maximum level, which is typically around 300 milliliters. Next, plug in your iron and choose the correct fabric setting, like cotton or silk, using the temperature dial. Wait approximately 2 minutes for the iron to reach its optimal temperature, indicated by the light turning off. For effective ironing, always work in small, manageable sections of your garment. Glide the iron smoothly and consistently over the fabric, ensuring even heat distribution. For delicate items like silk or wool, place a thin pressing cloth between the iron and the fabric to protect it from direct heat and potential damage. Remember to apply gentle, even pressure and keep the iron moving to prevent any scorching. The Voyager iron offers excellent steam and spray functions to tackle even the toughest wrinkles. For deep creases, activate the powerful steam burst by pressing the dedicated steam button, releasing a concentrated shot of steam. If you encounter particularly dry areas, use the spray mist button to lightly dampen the fabric, making it much easier to smooth out. Adjust the steam output according to your fabric. Heavier materials benefit from more steam. Proper care ensures your Voyager iron lasts for many years. After each ironing session, always remember to empty any leftover water from the tank. This prevents mineral buildup and keeps your iron performing optimally. Allow the iron to cool down completely for about 15 minutes before gently wiping the sole plate with a soft, damp cloth to remove any residue. Finally, store your iron upright in a secure, dry location.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.